Good evening. We're, as you can see, getting some seed in because we've finished having it planted and I'm spraying everywhere else at the moment. So what we're doing at the moment is just getting me putting some grass seed in ready. I like to get it in early so before the weeds start to grab hold. Some people wait, but there we go, that's that on. Now I like to get on with it myself. Let's have a look. Yeah, seems to see. So yeah, it's a lovely evening. It's been a warm day. I can't believe from being foggy, not being able to get on here. Now the ground's dusty, but I just want to get the seed in. So literally this field was only planted 2 weeks ago, and as you see there's no weed coverage at the moment, so just want to get on with it. But I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but I did a lot bigger. I did a 5 hectare replant a few days ago. But yeah, no, we're kind of at the moment just on the spraying, organising a new tractor. Get the second vineyard tractor. And just trying to keep up with it. The season has gone absolutely crazy. Oh, it's dusty. Yeah, absolutely crazy. We'll put our window down now because the dust is coming in. But yeah, so we've got a new tractor turning up soon, ready for turn that seat off, ready for work. Yeah, we got a lot of spraying. We've got bud rubbing coming up, so that's a big job for me. I've got about 90 hectares of bud rubbing to do, which doesn't sound that much to a big tractor, but trust me, in the small vineyard tractors, that is a lot. Is that on? Yeah, good. Gotta be so careful when the posts aren't here. It's so easy to wander. But yeah, so generally it's going well, but I just thought I'd show you what's going on. So new planted, tractor doing its regen as normal. But yeah, no, and this is a brand new seed drill. Well, Power Harrow Seeder, Seeder. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely rate it. It's not cheap, but this ABV Seeder, air seed is brilliant. The Power Harrow's brilliant. It's yeah, worth every penny. Really is. I rate them highly. I know a lot of farmers have ABV on bigger equipment as well, and other manufacturers, but yeah, so but yeah, no, so more content coming soon. You can see the Chieftain over there, the Fast Track, etc. But yeah, we'll just keep the content up. I can't wait to show you the bud rubbing because a lot of people probably haven't seen that, and yeah, catch up soon. Cheers, thank you very much.